morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at home and preparing for your upcoming assessments properly and in full confidence, isn't it? It's like that? Very good. So class, now it's time that we are going to begin with our today's classes. So today is 2nd March 2021 and the day is Tuesday. So what are we going to do? We are going to revise ordinal numbers. If you remember, we have done this topic, ordinal numbers. Today we are going to do a revision of them. So what are ordinal numbers? Can anyone tell me? The numbers that are telling the position of an object, picture, are called ordinal numbers, isn't it? कोई भी number जो position बता रहा है, they are ordinal numbers, isn't it? Now, if I ask you to just observe this key properly and tell me the position of different objects here, then how you are going to do that? How we give the positions? 1, 2, 3. Is this the way to give the position? हम जब भी किसी चीज की position देते हैं, we write 1, 2, 3 like this. No, we don't. We always say first. So we always write ST like this. Second, ND. Third, like this. Then we have fourth, fifth, sixth, isn't it? And it keeps on going. The very nice and easy example for this is classes. Now you are going to be a part of first class. अब आप first class में चले जाओगे, isn't it? Then second class, third class. अब आप UKG से कहाँ जाओगे? First में. कोई पूछेगा in which class you are? You will say first. आप 1 नहीं बोलोगे. What you will say? First. Isn't it? Then positions in the class. जिसकी जितनी अच्छी performance होती है, उसके उतने अच्छे grades होते हैं. And like that, use more positions. Like you are standing first in the class, second in the class. So this is again your positions. So the numbers that are telling the position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Is that clear to everyone? अब ordinal numbers अगर आपको इस तरह से आपको pictures दी जाती हैं and you are asked to tell the ordinal numbers, तो आपको हमेशा ये बताया जाएगा that you have to begin the line from which object. देखो first ये भी हो सकता है if we write it in this way. First ये भी हो सकता है if we write it in this way. Clear? So whenever it is asked you to tell the ordinal numbers, how you are going to do? You will first read properly the given question that from which object you have to start the line. लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करना है या राइट से, या तो इस तरह से दिया जाएगा और इट विल बी आस्क्ड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ट्री, टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पेंसिल, लाइक दिस. क्लियर? सो नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन टू अस इज ट्री, कैंडी, कैप, फ्लावर एंड अ पेंसिल. नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट गिविंग ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स फ्रॉम ट्री. From where you have to begin your line? You are going to begin your line from tree. Clear? तो अब देखिए, I have given a blank space under every object. So first, let us give position to these objects. And from where we are going to begin? We have to begin the line from tree. Clear? So जब tree से line start करेंगे, तो tree का position क्या है? सबसे पहला है वो. So we are going to write first there. How? 1 like this because the tree is standing सबसे आगे. जब आप प्रेयर के लिए जाते होते हैं ना, मैं सबसे आगे लगूंगा, मैं फर्स्ट. Similarly when you go for swings, isn't it? So tree is first. Now can you tell me what is the position of candy? वो tree के बाद है. So what will be the position of candy? Candy will be second. Yes. So we are going to write second here. Like this. Now candy is second. So what will be the position of cap? What will be the position of cap here? Third. So let's write third. Now when this is third, what will be this? Flower की क्या position हो जाएगी? Fourth. So you will write fourth. And what will be the position of pencil? Fifth. So we will write fifth here. Clear? अब इससे क्या हुआ? We have given the position. अब हमने positions लिख ली हैं. Every time you don't have to count and tell. Clear? Now if I ask you, what is the position of cap in the line? Now how you are going to tell me? When I have asked you what is the position of cap in the line, अब आपको क्या करना है? cap की position बतानी है. So how you are going to answer me? What is the cap's position? Third. Yes, because we have already written. तो इसका लिखने का यही benefit होता है. When you have written it once, तो it's easy for you to answer all the questions, all the fill in the blanks. कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. Clear? So the position of cap in the line क्या है? Third. Like this. Is that clear to everyone? ऐसे ही if I say if not a cap, मैम यहाँ से cap को हटा देती है and मैम ask you the position of tree. So what will be your answer? If I ask you for tree, it will be first in the line, isn't it? तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? You will write first in the line. Understood? One way of doing it like this. Now, मान लीजिए मैम आपको बोलती है you have to explain this, isn't it? तो आप explain कैसे करोगे? Chalk, board, duster and all से तो नहीं करोगे आप explain. How you are going to explain that? You can do the explanation with the help of some objects available at home, isn't it? So how you are going to do that? I'll just tell you. Look at that, and your today's homework will be sharing a presentation of ordinal numbers. Is that clear to everyone? So you are going to share one presentation for ordinal numbers. That will be your homework. First I'll show you your classwork and then I'll tell you how you are going to do your today's homework. Okay? So open your maths notebook for classwork first. Understood? Where you are going to write down today's date and topic. Okay? So class, now see how you are going to do your today's classwork. For classwork, first write down today's date, 2nd March 2021. Write down the topic ordinal numbers and mention classwork here. Understood? And then you can take some objects and draw them here in the key box. After that, you have to write fill in the blanks like this. This work we have already done earlier also, so you can take a reference from that work even. Clear? So now the question says, fill in the blanks using ordinal numbers starting the line from smiley. So you have to start the line from smiley. That means जो position देना start करेंगे, you have to begin from smiley. Now, as I shown you on the board, tree was first because we have to start the line from tree. Now, as if you have to start the line from smiley, what will be the position for smiley? First. So we are going to write that here. First. Then this flag will be second. Isn't it? After that, what is this? It's a dice. So what will be the position of a dice? The position will be third. Like this you will write third. Then next we have is a letter, a postcard. So what will be the position of this postcard? Fourth. And last we have is a kite. So what will be the position of the kite? Fifth. Isn't it? So the positions are first smiley, second flag, third dice, fourth postcard, fifth kite. Now let's see. The flag is dash in the line. What is the position of flags? Check here. Second. So you will write the flag is second in the line. Clear? Then it is asked, the postcard is dash in the line. So what is the position of postcard? Check and tell me. Fourth. Yes. So the postcard is fourth in the line. Then we have kite. What is the next picture given? Kite. The kite is dash in the line. See and tell me the position of kite. Fifth. So you will write the kite is fifth in the line. Understood? Then next given is the smiley. The smiley is dash in the line. So can you tell me what is the position of smiley? First in the line. So you will write the smiley is first in the line. Then we have a dice here. The dice is dash in the line. So check the position of dice. Third. So you will write the dice is third in the line. Clear? So the position of dice is third. Like this you will do your work if given in the fill in the blank form, where you will first give the position to the objects given in the key box और उसके बाद key box में पहले एक ही बार सबको position दे देना and after that you can do your fill in the blanks like this. Clear? So this is about your classwork. Now homework, how you are going to give a presentation, I'll show you that. Okay class? So class, now let's see how you are going to do your today's homework, where you have to shoot a small video in the same way I am going to do now. Clear? So what presentation you are going to give? Ordinal numbers. So like this you will make a small paper, fold it like this, and it can be, you can make it stand like this and write your topic, ordinal numbers. Clear? And I have taken different objects, like I have taken water bottle, scissor, a tape roll, a bottle of Fevicol, then a pencil box and a poster color box. I'll just make them little near to each other like this. Clear? So like this, these are the objects that ma'am has taken. So what you have to do now, we are going to give ordinal numbers to them. Clear? तो फर्स्ट कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. माई नेम इज, नाउ आई एम सेइंग माई नेम, आप सब अपना अपना बोलेंगे. ओके, माई नेम इज वानी जैन एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट ordinal numbers, numbers that tell us positions. So the objects we have are bottle, scissor, tape roll, Fevicol bottle, a pencil box and a box of poster colors. Let's start giving them positions. So we are going to start our line from bottle. इतना आप बोलेंगे सब. आप देखिए मैम ने क्या किया है. आई हैव टेकन सम स्मॉल पीस ऑफ पेपर वेयर आई हैव गिवन द पोजिशंस लाइक दिस. क्लियर? अब आप क्या करेंगे? वन बाय वन यू विल एक्सप्लेन एंड यू विल कीप द पोजिशंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. सो यू वांट टू सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. So as we are going to start from the bottle, we are going to begin our line from bottle. So the bottle will be first. What will be the position of bottle? First. So let's keep first with bottle like this. So bottle is first in the line. Then we have a scissor. So scissors will be second in the line. So you will take this and you will keep it here like this. Understood? Then the next object we have is a tape roll. So what will be the position of tape roll? It is third in the line, isn't it? Then we have a bottle of Fevicol. So can anyone tell me what will be the position of this Fevicol bottle? When we have first, second, third. So Fevicol will be fourth in the line. So you will keep fourth here. Then we have pencil box. It is fifth in the line like this. And last we have a box of poster color which is sixth in the line. So like this the positions are given to all the objects. Now if I ask what is the position of tape roll? Third position like this. We can say the numbers that are telling position of the objects are called ordinal numbers. Thank you. This is how you will do a presentation. क्लास मैम का फेस दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बिकॉज मैम ने खुद फ़ोन होल्ड किया हुआ है. ओके, सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू. आपके लिए फ़ोन मम्मा पापा होल्ड करेंगे तो आप प्रॉपर वीडियो में खुद से भी दिखाई देने चाहिए. क्लियर? सो नाउ यू हैव टू डू योर वीडियो शूट लाइक दिस. ओके, so class, I hope you have understood what are ordinal numbers now, isn't it? It's more clear to you, and you have also understood how you are going to do your classwork in notebook, and for homework you are going to share a video to me. अब इस वीडियो को कैसे करना है? Because ma'am was doing herself and was doing the video shoot as well. तो मैम की आपको फेस नहीं दिखाई दिया. You were only able to see my hands. But आप क्या करोगे? When you are explaining this, your video will be done by somebody else. मम्मा, दीदी, पापा, किसी की हेल्प लेनी है. They will do the video shoot and you will explain. So I want to see your face also. Clear? आप अच्छे से स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में ड्रेसअप होंगे. And after getting dressed up in proper school uniform, you will do this video shoot. Clear? So waiting eagerly for your presentation today. Okay class? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class. Again, I'm going to give you some interesting work in EVS also. Bye. Take care.